So I got this new stand that moves when I move. So it's moving when I move. I have this new stand. So let me try it out. So I did. So today I'm just working on helping people get into the $40 weight loss system, right? I'm helping people get into the $40 energy system. I'm helping people get into the $40 mental clarity system. I'm helping people get into the $40 sex libido boost system. So, hey friends, this is Coach Tanisha Marie. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, share. Hit the notification bell for updates on more upcoming videos. It's like, when do we get sick and tired of being sick and tired? When do we get sick and tired of being sick and tired? When do we get tired of being sick and tired, right? So when do we say, I'm tired of being broke. I'm tired of not having any money. I'm tired of living check to check. I'm tired of living on a wish and a prayer. I'm tired of in between jobs. I'm tired of this job. I'm tired of that job. I'm tired of going over here. I'm tired of going over here. I'm tired of not having enough money. I'm tired of having too much month at the end, of the money. I'm tired of being broke. I'm tired of being fat. I'm tired of being uncomfortable. I'm tired of, my car breaking down. I'm tired of, every time I turn around, there's a bill popping up. I'm tired. When do we get tired of all of that? Like, when do we get tired of all of this shit? Like, for real. Like, when do we really get tired of all of this shit? Like, when do we say enough is a fucking enough? When do we say that, right? And here's the thing. If you don't have money as an adult, right? Then guess what? You don't need to be going out to nobody's birthday party. You don't need to be going to nobody's graduation. You don't need to be celebrating anything if you ain't got no money. If you ain't got at least 10 grand in the bank, friends, you don't need to be celebrating nothing. What are you celebrating? Now, some people could justify being broke and say, oh, I want to party because I don't want to think about me being broke. But then you go out and spend money. It's weird to me, right? It's kind of like weird, because I done transformed my mind. So my mindset has changed. So now I'm like, if you're broke, why you hanging out? If you broke, why you going to happy hour? If you broke, why you going to the mall every day or every weekend? I'm confused, right? So as adults, if you're over 30 years old, you're an adult. You're a grown, full-blown ass adult. And if you're over 30 years old, guys, and you don't got 10 grand in the bank, you got to really start looking into you and say, what is I'm doing, or what am I doing, or what is it that I can do, right? We got to start gaining new skills that's going to pay the bills, gaining new skills that's going to allow us to have some financial independence, right? It's a shame that a 30-year-old, 45-year-old don't have 40 fucking dollars. It's a shame that they don't have $500. $40, please. It's a shame. Friends, it's a shame that you got to wait to get paid to have $40. But meanwhile, people say, oh, MLM is a scam. MLM is a scheme. Network marketing ain't for me. This is network marketing. Everybody at the top make all the money. Everybody at the bottom don't. But obviously you in the scheme right now because you at the bottom not making no money either. If you over fucking 40 years old and you ain't got $40, over 40 and ain't got $40, you got to transfer money. Hold up. You don't have a bank account with $40 in it? See, we really got to start to look at ourselves, friends. I mean, again, I was one of those 25-year-old, 30-year-olds who didn't have 10,000 in the bank. But then once I realized how important money is, and once I realized that, oh yeah, things can happen, right? There's emergencies that can happen. I need emergency money every time I turn the hell around. Then I had it to build. That's why I got my own bank now. I have life insurance now. I have money that, I need for, emergencies. I have things that I can be able to sell to go make money every day, right? We live in a world where you got to make money every day to win. No, you no longer getting paid 24 times out of 365 days. To me, that shit don't make no motherfucking sense. I'm living every day. I need money every fucking day. I'm hungry every day. Every day is a goddamn emergency if you ask me. Every day is a goddamn emergency if you ask me, right? So we got to change our minds. We got to change our mind, friends. And it boils down to you, right? Because right now, people done lost money in their 401ks, the stock market going down. People lost money in their IRAs. People are losing their minds. People losing their houses. People losing their apartments. People losing their cars. People losing everything, right? But what you never want to lose is your humility and your dignity, right? You never want to lose your humility and your dignity and just start doing anything for money because you're so desperate. With all the opportunities, friends, online, $40. I'm showing people how to turn $40 into $100 a day. Literally, how to turn $40 into $100 a day, and you don't have $40. You can't go borrow $10 from 4 people you know, right? Again, friends, we got to get out of this stuck shit, this stuck mindset, right? I do drop shipping, right? I got money coming in from drop shipping. I do joint ventures with people. I got money coming in from that. All I'm doing today is training, right? I'm training my team. I'm training myself, right? So I can get better, right? Because this pandemic, this is the aftermath of the pandemic. And I'm seeing what grants I can apply for, right? What other money that the government is giving out to small businesses. I'm looking for all kind of fucking ways to get money so I won't be broke. My kids won't be broke. My husband won't be broke. We ain't gonna be broke. I'm not interested in that because we don't know if this recession and inflation is gonna be worse than 2008. We don't know. So we got to have reserves, we got to have food, right? And we got to have ways to make money daily. And this is the real facts. If you really want to know what the real facts are, that's the real facts. Okay? That's the real facts. Okay? So if you're over 40 and you don't got $40, it's time to do some soul searching. Get the fuck off social media. Get off Instagram. Get off Facebook. Get off of it. Because obviously you're not doing anything to build skills, right? You got to build some skills that can pay the bills, right? Scrolling online is not a skill set, right? Bashing people and downing people is not a skill set, right? Actually learning something, buying a course and actually learning something that you can now go implement, right? That's why I have my drop shipping. You could drop ship on Facebook, literally go make $200 a day. Or you could join my $40 program, right? $40 weight loss system, $40 energy system, $40 libido system, $40 energy system, because we got sprays for everybody. Right? From kids to, 100 years old, 150 years old. We got sprays for everybody. You come in at $40, get the system, get a whole e-commerce website with 900 products on it, go through the training, take you some time, take a couple hours to go through the training, start to understand how it works, start promoting it, start telling friends, start telling family members, start telling people, right, about your business. Your new business for $40, literally you can make $100 a day, which is damn near $3,000 to $36,000 per month. Per year, right? And you can do that from the comfort of your cell phone. You could be anywhere in the doggone world and have this e-commerce site running for you anywhere. That's why I love e-commerce. You could be making money. All you got to do is send people to the website. They can make as many purchases as they want. They could get 2 products. They could get 20 products. They could get 80 products. They could get 1 product. It don't even matter. I love e-commerce, right? That's Once my mentor showed me Shopify e-commerce and I started drop shipping, and then my other mentor showed me Amazon e-commerce, I'm like, man, e-commerce is the whole internet. And if you don't have something to sell in the 21st century, guys, you're literally dead. Oh, I'm not a seller. Okay, well, learn how to sell, right? And it's not even really selling, it's helping people. How can you help people with products and services? Right? How can you help people with a viable product that can help you and help them? See, this is talk about in the Bible, right? Exchange. How can we exchange this for this? Value for value, right? How can I get you into a $40 system with some great products, and then now I can show you how to make $100 a day with that same system? And all you're doing is paying $40. And you don't have $40 and you're 40 years old. Make this shit make sense to me, right? We should have learned in COVID that I needed to do something different. We should have learned in COVID that what I'm doing ain't fucking working. We should have learned in COVID that, you know what? What's working for me is I need to get some training. What's working for me is that I need to get some training. What's working for me is that I need a system. What's working for me is I need to start building a legacy for my family. $40 to learn how to be a part of e-commerce, and it's still drop shipping because you're not holding any products, you're not having any products, you're not storing any products. You're literally sharing your website with other people. They go into the website, buying whatever. My Daily Choice sends you the money, the check, the direct deposit, right? Or they put it on your card, and they ship the customer the product. So essentially, this is drop shipping. You literally can start a drop shipping business for $40 freaking dollars, like literally right now. Selling physical products and services, and we also do cryptocurrencies. It's like sky is the limit. But if your mind is limited, you'll never reach the sky, right? If the sky is the limit and your mind is limited, if the sky is up here and your mind is limited here, you'll never reach the top. And then people always say, oh, nobody want to put you on. No, you don't want to take action to information that's being presented to you so you can put yourself on. So don't blame nobody but yourself, right? And then say to myself, how can I start gaining skills? I need to get around some people with good energy. I need to be around some people who winning. I need to be around some people who going. I need to be around some people who growing. I need to be around some people who's encouraging, who's uplifting, who's inspired. That's who I need to be around. I need to be around people that are doing the damn thing. Tired of being broke. Tired of being fat. Tired of being upset. I'm tired of being depressed. I'm tired of having anxiety. I'm tired of living on a prayer. I'm tired of living on a wish. I'm tired of asking baby father for this. I'm tired of calling my grandmother asking her for $50. I'm tired of, worried about this and worried about that. Arguing with my daughter for money. Arguing with my son for money. I'm tired. You got to get tired. At some point, you got to be sick and tired of being sick and tired of being fucking sick and damn tired. See, I got sick and tired of being sick and tired. That's why I did something about it. I got tired of being sick and tired of being sick and tired. So I had to do something about it. Now my vision expand in COVID. Now I want to do more. Now I want to do more offline events because I realize there's so much more to do, right? And I realized that, I wasn't doing enough. So therefore I need to be doing more, right? I need to be getting connected to people that can pull me up and push me forward. It's really that simple, guys, right? We got to get out that mindset. We got to get out that comfort zone. If you comfortable being broke, then you won't always be broke. Your kids going to be broke. Your grandkids going to be broke. But if you're not comfortable being broke and you're like, I need to do something about it, and I need to learn a new skill in the next 90 days, I can make $10,000. I need to be doing that now. Because if you make $100 a day until the end of the year, that's damn near $10,000, $15,000 you literally can make right now. Learn new skills, friends, that can pay the bills. You shouldn't be 40 or 30 years old and don't have 40 fucking dollars. It's time to get right, man. And it's time to get you together so you can get your family together so we can really start living a life of freedom. I'll see you guys inside.